With a deep wish to preserve and retell stories about Vietnam's culture and people, I came across a remarkable article by journalist Minh Duong, published in 2023, The Untold Story of the Six-Pointed Star Lantern in the Mid-Autumn Festival. For most of us, the Mid-Autumn Festival is forever linked to the five-pointed star lantern, a timeless symbol of childhood joy. Yet hidden in old records, there once existed a lantern with 6 points. Strangely, despite many legends about the origin of the star lantern, no official document has ever confirmed when it first appeared, or why the 6-point version disappeared, leaving behind only the 5-pointed lantern we know today. Among the rare sources are a 1915 photograph of Hanoi Street by French photographer Léon Bizet, preserved in the Albert Kahn Museum in France, and images from a 2023 workshop by the Project Village in the city. Together they reveal that the 6-pointed lantern was once real, before nearly fading into oblivion. No one knows exactly when the star lantern first appeared. But thanks to these rare images, we understand that the 6-pointed lantern was once part of Mid-Autumn tradition, a piece of cultural memory now almost forgotten. Deep in Thanh Oai district of Hanoi lies Đàn Viên Village, Cao Vien Commune, a place once renowned for making rotating lanterns known as Gen Keo Quan. Here lives meritorious artisan Nguyễn Văn Quyền, now in his 80s, considered the last guardian of this craft. Each mid-autumn, he continues to create troop lanterns, star lanterns, and other traditional toys for children. In recent years, he has shared his craft at the Vietnam Museum of Ethnology and during cultural workshops in Hanoi's old communal houses, where children can once again build and light up 6-pointed star lanterns. For Mr. Quine, these workshops are not only about making toys, they are about passing down memory, preserving cultural identity, and keeping Vietnamese traditions alive for future generations. The 6 points of the lantern have been interpreted in many ways. Some say they represent 6 emotions of human life: love, hate, anger, sadness, joy, and pride. Others say they reflect filial piety towards 6 family ties: parents, grandparents, brothers, and sisters. Perhaps in each shining point, people once placed a wish for children to grow up with bright and happy futures. A century has passed, and the 6-pointed star lantern has almost vanished. Yet thanks to artisans like Mr. Quinn and the traditions of Đàn Viên Village, its light still flickers in memory each mid-autumn. Whether 5 or 6 points, the star lantern is more than a toy. It is a light of joy, of heritage, and of love for Vietnamese tradition. And perhaps what truly matters is not the number of points, but the warm light it brings, making mid-autumn forever a season of reunion, childhood laughter, and timeless stories. Keep the memory of mid-autumn alive, not just with lanterns, but with love for Vietnam's cultural heritage. Today, the 5-pointed star lantern has become a familiar symbol of mid-autumn in Vietnam. Its 5 points are often seen as representing the 5 elements: metal, wood, water, fire, and earth, or the 5 virtues of being human: kindness, righteousness, propriety, wisdom, and faithfulness. No matter the interpretation, the lantern continues to shine as a beacon of joy, hope, and togetherness for every generation. And now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever seen or heard about the 6-pointed star lantern before? And what do you think the star lantern means to you today? Please leave the comment below.